Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have ROBOROCK QRevo Curv and I'm going to show you how can you easily enable Do Not Disturb mode. At first we have to click on these three dots at the top. Here, as you can see, we have a lot of options, but we have to scroll down until we see robot settings. We have to tap on it, and as you can see, the first option is Do Not Disturb mode. To minimize disturbance, some automatic operations will not be performed during the DND period. You have to click on it, and here, as you can see, we have Do Not Disturb mode. We can either disable this option or enable this option. With it, we can start or end our time. For example, I want to start it on 8 PM and finish on 10 AM. Here, as you can see, we have customized Do Not Disturb mode. Disable auto top up, we can enable or disable this option, quiet and voice alerts, and the same, and dim indicator lights. For example, I want to enable all this, so we just have to do this, and now if we go back, you can see that everything is done. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye.